Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and we're gonna draw a winner for this one. Okay, we have 4 people in the running for this canvas. Who's going to win it? Let us see. So let me shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. If I can find my finger. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Where's my finger? Number 1. Diamonds around you. Diamonds around the world. Sorry. Diamonds around the world. Please contact me and let me know if you are still interested in this canvas. You will have to pay shipping. Stay tuned till 8 o'clock when we will have another canvas that I'm going to be destashing, getting rid of. Stay tuned for that one and all the details at 8 o'clock. See you then. Have a great night.